So this is the Jimy Tools, just over 1,600 pieces, DOZER tools. I thought I might just show you what's inside. This is like a sneak peek. So I know everybody's toolboxes will be set out differently, but this is just to give you an idea. Everything's really good quality. Yeah, I really love everything that's in it. The air tools, they're really good. I use them on truck, especially my 3/4 gun. I use them on my the trucks that I do wheel nuts and things on. So, you know, like, yeah, everything's just really good in it. What have you got? This one. The impact sockets are brilliant. I love them. They're really good. And we've got the side cabinet, stacks of room. Yeah, I love it.